In this video, I want to show you as a millionaire mastermind lead and client what you are missing out on through having millionaire mastermind. Although there's some great content within the videos here which give you some great tips in terms of lead generation, how to use LinkedIn, Bing Profits and Facebook as well, what you're missing out on is the additional commissions that you're going to get from the Fast Start. Now, if you click on the Fast Start button, and all you're going to do is turn this thing on, what will happen is that you connect your account to SendShark or the autoresponder of your choice. There's AWeber and GetResponse as well, but I'm using SendShark because it's the Rolls Royce of autoresponders for online marketing. When you've done that, you need to click into and get your high ticket commission set up with Traffic Authority, and that will allow you to get the proper traffic sent through to your lead capture pages. And when you've got that turned on and it's running for you, you'll get leads to your capture pages, which will look a little bit like this. This is totally turned on, automated traffic, which is going to come through to you with you having to do nothing at all about it. So that's your Traffic Authority set up there. And then the third thing that you need to do is your multiple streams of income is to turn this one on as well, which gives you, so that means that you've then got your list leverage. And what you need to do here, this is where this says super affiliate here, it will either be beginner or super affiliate. Now, if I was in your position, as I was once, I chose beginner. If you choose beginner, it means you get the commissions from people that are going to upgrade to beginner. However, if you're not upgraded to super affiliate, which is a yearly payment, then people that come in underneath you and you refer to that see the power of list leverage as most people do, and they upgrade to super affiliate, you will not get the commissions for super affiliate. So it's important that you choose the super affiliate level with list leverage. Now, once that's done, all you've then got to do, that's the three things that you've got to do. Step 4 is you go to here to start your traffic now. And what that will then do is take you through, let me click on that there, it takes you through to Traffic Authority, and then you can choose the traffic pack that you want to actually turn on to onto your list lead capture pages, and that's the ones that are in there for you. So that's where you can get your packages from, and that's how you turn on and what you're missing by being a millionaire mastermind owner only. So if you're watching this video for the first time, then you want to start this leverage up, then all you need to do is click on the link beneath this video and you can get your turnkey system set up and running quite happily. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to click the video, the like button, have a comment on it, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of every video uploaded to this channel. Thanks for watching.